Hello everyone, welcome to this new series that we're launching on our YouTube channel. So yeah, this is still Frame 316 Media that you're watching. I'm driving by 880 and heading to San Jose. And yeah, so this is a new series that we're launching on our channel. So we're just gonna be talking about insights on AI, creativity, storytelling, innovation and design, of course marketing, but not the usual office setup that you see me recording on my other videos. Yeah, we're trying to figure out a lot of different ways to do fun stuff, and make our content more engaging in a way, right? So today I want to talk about how do you use AI to launch your brand, right? So there's a lot of talk about AI. There's like a whole bandwagon of people jumping into AI. Some of them, they really understand AI. Some of them are like just scared and I have to be here because everyone is using this. But I want to come from a position of helping you. Let's say you're launching your brand. You're either a small brand and you're launching, or you are a marketing company, you're an agency, and you're still exploring how AI can help you launch your brand. So I just want to share a couple of things, because long before AI was here, I have been doing a lot of this creative stuff, and I tell you, the number one help that I get from AI is I would usually spend countless of hours, even days, researching about a topic or to come up with a strategy for a specific client. I would do market research. I would crawl the internet, read websites of their competitors, and then whatever I get from the research, I would spend another set of hours and days to analyze before I can come up with like a solid strategy that I can provide to these clients. But now with all these AI tools right now, it reduces my work significantly. But a word of caution, not just because AI can do it for you or with you, you should be fully dependent on AI. That's not really how it works. As someone who is more, if you are really value-centric on the work that you're doing, you should still maintain that, what we call it, the human intervention. Still have to add in your own thoughts, add in your own wordings, whatever, let's say ChatGPT is going to give you. That's not supposed to be the final version of your document. But yeah, so how can you use AI to launch a brand or launch your brand? I have a couple of things to share. First and foremost, one thing that you can do is, when you use AI, you always have to give AI context. When I say context, you tell AI who the persona of the thought process, the owner of the thought process. Let's say you can tell ChatGPT, you are a marketing expert, or you are a business owner, or you are an advisor, things like that. You're a professional marketer. So it depends. You just add in your context, and then you should have enough experience building brands, even without AI, because that's the only way that AI can help you. You have to know how it's done without AI before jumping into AI. And then you feed that context, and then you give those questions and provisions in the form of prompt, for example, to ChatGPT, and then you would tell things like, you want to help this group of people, and this group of people are doing this and that, so on and so forth. and your business is positioned or is equipped to do this for this group of people, and this is what you're trying to achieve. Now you have context, and then it comes with instructions, like a detailed instructions to AI on what he needs to do next. Now that he knows what to do next, then you tell AI, can you give me an overall or an overview of a strategy in launching the brand? And that would really, give you result in content that would be an outcome of, let's say, a 2-week research. So now you have like a base, the foundation of the brand that you're gonna launch, and that would really, helps you a lot. Another way for us, when we work with clients who are launching a brand, we would have, of course, we have a set of questionnaires in the form of Google Sheet. We are so much into Google Docs. And then we convert this Google Sheet questionnaire, whatever they answered, whatever they supplied, we convert it into a document, and then we feed it into AI. And we just practically tell AI, hey, based on this question and answer document, can you do this and do that, related to launching a brand? You can even ask ChatGPT, can you crawl the internet? And based on what you find, can you give me like the ideal color palette according to what you know, according to this question and answer? Even tagline, you can ask ChatGPT to provide that for you. But again, that should not be your final outcome. You have to intervene. As the main creator, as the creative, you have to intervene. That should not be the final version of your brand documents. And there was one time I was trying, we did a logo for a client, and I saved it in a PNG, with transparency, and then I loaded up on ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT, hey, usual context, what the company is doing, who the target audience is, and then I asked ChatGPT, can you give me a basic brand guideline for this logo? Lo and behold, ChatGPT actually gave me a brand guideline. So that's where we are. That's the world we live in right now. So it's either we are afraid of it, we avoid it, or we have fun doing work that we are used to doing, work that we love doing. We kept doing it, but now with the more wider range of building and reaching your desired outcome. So yeah, those are just a couple of things that I'm gonna share for this first episode, and I hope you learned something from this. And I'm gonna see you on the next episode of Drive-By Storytelling. So alright, just in time, I'm gonna exit the freeway and grab something to eat and go back to work. And yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this short video with insights on how you can launch a brand using AI. Thank you for watching. See you again on our channel. This is Robert once again signing off from Frame 316 Media, now powered by Next Story Studios.